What's up, y'all? This is the shooting the ball golden thing.
Ball.
This is the view of the we're like upstairs, I guess, currently. But that's how it looks like. Beautiful view, sunshine. But look at this, beautiful view. Look at this. I hope you guys really enjoy this vlog. I mean, I'm very happy that I got a chance to go here. So, yeah. But let me know what you guys think about this. Yeah. So, yeah. So happy, families taking pictures. All that etc. So there you go. There is where I was before. So yeah, this is it. And we'll be back in a minute. So stay tuned for the hunt. So yeah.